everybody, today I will be showing you how to make slime out of a peel-off mask. Now I'm using a cucumber gel kind, and you will also need something to mix with and a container or a plate or anything, and our activator, which I'm going to be using Tide. First step is to put the face mask in here, or the face mask gel, my bad. And you just put in a container and a plate or something, and I put some right here like this, and then we are going to put some of our activator and mix it all up. If you did not know, face masks and glues use PVA, and PVA is something, it's basically like a powder that is added to glue or face mask in order for it to peel or like dry. And then if you add PVA and Tide or any activator, it will basically create any kind of slime. You guys could also search up what PVA means. Just put PVA. And yeah, so I'm going to put a little bit of activator in here, and then I'm going to mix it, so I'll be right back. This smells so good. It's cucumber, and then with this Tide, it's going to smell even better. Now, you should add a little by little, because if not, it's going to turn out like a hard slime. And as you see, it's already making slime. But you're gonna have to use a lot of detergent, because it may look like you put a lot and it looks like it's touchable, but as soon as you touch it with your hands, it's gonna be extremely sticky. So you're gonna put a lot of activator. And this is my favorite type of slime because it looks beautiful and it will turn clear crystal blue. And also it's very stretchy, like not like an ordinary slime, but a very good type of slime. So I'm going to keep mixing this until I get the right consistency that you should be getting. So I'll be done with mixing later. Now I got into this consistency for mixing it and adding activator for about a minute or two. And clearly it looks like it has a lot of activator, but it will fool you. So if you do end up touching it, it will be really sticky. And this is a really pretty slime. In camera, it looks really blue, but trust me, it's like a beautiful, clear kind of slime. Here, let's see if this helps. No, it's not really helping. No, but yeah, it's basically really clear. It's like a nice clear baby blue slime, but it looks a lot like this color, but a little lighter. So this is me leaving in the detergent, and it's like mixing already by itself, but you see, it's still sticky. So I'm gonna keep mixing it and see how the results are in 2 minutes. Now you may see that it looks like it has a little too much detergent and you think it's not gonna stick, but trust me, it's really sticky. But right now I think it's pretty good to knead as long as you have like the Tide with you or your activator, because as soon as you touch this, even though how much you add, it's gonna straight up stick to you too much. And look, I put so much detergent and there's still some on the side, but I'm gonna now mix it with my hands until I can actually be able to touch it. And when I'm able to touch it, then if I think it's a little too sticky, I could just get the detergent or the activator and then put some more in. So I'll be right back until I like the consistency. I'm ready to have the slime that I enjoy. Okay, you guys, so I'm happy with my consistency, and it's right here. It's really not that blue, and it makes the best poking noises you could, like a really good amount of poking noises. Hopefully you could hear it. But yeah, guys, that is how you make slime out of a peel-off gel mask. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and bye!